Surprised, the hare exclaimed, "I thought you said it just for fun." The tortoise replied, "I mean what I say. Come on, it's time. Let's run." Hello everyone, it's me Usaid, your English instructor from English Story every Friday. So, as long as you heard the whole story, right now it's time for covering the new vocabs. So, pay attention. Hare, an animal like a large rabbit that can run very fast and has long ears. Boast, to speak too proudly or happily about what you have done or what you own. For example, some parents enjoy boasting about their children's achievements. Bully, to hurt or frighten someone, often over a period of time, and often forcing that person to do something they do not want to do. For example, don't let anyone to bully you. Scoff, to laugh and talk about a person or idea in a way that shows that you think they are stupid or silly. For example, the critics scoffed at his paintings. Gaze, to look at something or someone for a long time, especially in surprise or admiration, or because you're thinking about something else.